everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to just do like a quick little get rest. Sorry, I'm kind of like looking in the little mirror behind me because my old camera had a flip screen and I was able to see like the positioning and stuff, but now I don't. Somebody stole my camera. Anyway, I'm gonna do just like a super simple, very natural look today. I ran out of all of my foundation. I'm using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. This is a tinted hydrating gel cream. Has SPF 30 in it, which is amazing. And after I went to school to get my esthetician license, I realized just how important SPF is. I noticed that I started getting I'm starting to get sunspots. Like, you can't tell like just looking at me, but because I look at myself every day, like I notice little sunspots in certain areas and I don't like that. So SPF is very important. Wear your SPF. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this on my face. So you guys, I cannot wait until I have my own little setup, and I do plan on getting a new camera soon. Similar to my last one. So in the next few months or so, I'm gonna have a decent camera. I have a decent one now that my grandpa gave me. However, I just don't like how it doesn't have a flip screen, because I really need one of those. I already have my eyebrows done, as you can tell. I didn't do much to them. I just put on like a tinted brow gel. Actually, I used the Benefit Their Real tinted primer is what I used on them. As you guys noticed, I'm like putting this on my skin and with like straight from the bottle, and then using a brush. This is the Hourglass brush. I don't know which one it is. It's just this one. But when you use your hands to blend this product in, the Rescue Complexion, it is not good. Trust me. I mean, not on my skin anyway. Everyone's different, but when I put it on my skin with my hands, it doesn't, it just slides right off, I feel like. So this, like, I feel like it's blending it in, but it's also staying on my skin. I don't know if you can tell the difference because it's not super heavy coverage, but this side has the Rescue Complexion and this one doesn't. What kinds of videos do you guys want me to film? Like, I have been gone for almost a year and I feel like I just don't have any cool ideas lately. I have some ideas jotted down on a piece of paper that I was gonna do years ago, so maybe I'll do that. Would you guys like to see a boyfriend tag? I don't think you guys met my boyfriend yet. We dated in high school. Some of you might know him from like past videos or like past MySpace if you had me on there. But we dated in high school for a couple of years. I've known him since I was 12 or 13. This is the NARS concealer in Custard, which is medium 1. I'm going to use the same brush that I've been using. I'm going to apply this down here. I already have a little bit of Becca highlighter in Opal. Yeah? I'm done. Okay, I'll be there in a second. Riley's in the bath right now. And no, the bath water is not high enough for her to drown, don't worry. I was going to just keep no makeup on today, or not apply makeup today, and just have the highlighter on, but then I saw my little peach fuzz mustache and it looked a little discolored, so I was like, I'm gonna put some makeup on. I need to wax it again soon. Almost time for a wax. I used to shave it. Isn't that weird? Never again. We're about to go to Target soon because I have to get some Armor All wipes to clean my car, the inside of it. I've gone on a couple road trips since I've gotten it. I got my car, I think, like, I can't even remember, June or July? Can't remember. But I got my car, I think it was in June. I got a 2014 Jetta, and I love it. But since then, I backed into a fire hydrant without realizing I was on the curb, and today I actually got all the paint off, all the yellow paint, so that's nice. Now it doesn't look as bad. I'm going to use my Sedona Lace FB01 brush. It's just this large fan brush, and then my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. Okay. Dab a little bit on my nose. Next, I'm going in with my Stonelace FB Vero. I cannot talk. FB05 brush. It just looks like this. And I'm taking my, what brand is this? Pure Minerals Glow Together. This was actually sent to me a while ago by them. And I really love it. I'm just going to go ahead and pop that right into my cheekbone area. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Some up here on my forehead. Yeah, so I'll be cleaning out my car today. My boyfriend spilled Red Bull in there, but it's on the floor mat luckily, and I already cleaned that up. We got back really late last night and he had to work really early this morning, so he wasn't able to clean it up. But luckily my car is leather interior, so I don't have to really worry about, you know, stains or anything on my seats. I'm going in with the Lancome blush. This is, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. I'll put the name right here probably. And I'm going to use my MAC blush brush. The numbers have come off. Oh no, not on this one. This is the 129.
I'm in video.
Mm-hmm. My eyebrows are crazy. Mascara that I use is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I could not think of their name. I think mine's getting kind of dried out. I really do like this mascara. It's about $9 at any drugstore. The only thing about it is I feel like it dries out pretty fast and I feel like it flakes. But this mascara does a really good job at volumizing and lengthening the lashes. It just dries out pretty quick. I need a tripod again. My tripod got stolen along with my camera. And for those of you wondering, I had the Canon Rebel and it was the T4i. I had the flip screen, I had a tripod. That actually got stolen from my boyfriend's car, and it's my fault for leaving it in there, but he has a Subaru Forester, like an older one, and he had the cover over like the little back area because I had just come back from LA when I graduated school, and I had all my luggage back there. I had like 2 suitcases and like my camera was in there and like everything, like all my black clothes for when I worked at MAC. They saw that the cover was like covering stuff, so whoever it was, they smashed his back window in and they took my little black suitcase that had all my black clothes in it and my camera and my tripod. They left the bigger... Did they take my big suitcase? I think they took my big suitcase too. Anyway, they took 2 of my suitcases and literally everything was in there. So that was a bummer. That was in February of last year. And I shouldn't have left my stuff in there, but we got back really late from LA and he had to park his car on the street because he doesn't have like a permit to park in like the condo area where he lives, and so he parked like a quarter mile away on the street where everyone else parks, and other people's cars have gotten broken into on that street as well, which is weird because they live in a really nice, quiet like area where a lot of older people live, but I guess, you know, people like to travel to nicer areas to take nicer things. So yeah, it was late and I just was like, okay, I'll take out my stuff tomorrow, but I should have grabbed the important things, obviously. But yeah, I really regret that decision. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any requests or anything, please let me know. And that's pretty much all I have for now. I'm just making my eyelashes stick up higher.